Okay, so this is the Scary Maze game that I'm going to do.
Her reaction.
Let's see this. Okay, let's see if it happens this time. I haven't played this since like a couple years.
Wow.
And this is Daniel's first time seeing. Oh my god. Fail. I could take my time. I don't know why I'm rushing. Oh.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you see? This is the last level, I think.
Yup. Agree.
Are you ready?
Don't do that anymore.
Oh my god! Stop! Let me catch my breath. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
That also scared my cousin Daniel because because he was watching it because he never saw it before.
I can't!
It was funny though.